While many HD videos are often stored on computers, the convenience of accessing content on phones prompts the need to transfer videos from PC to Android. For effective and secure solutions, simply explore the concise guide below, which presents 6 exceptional methods. Method 1. How to transfer videos from PC to Android via Assistant for Android Swift. First up is using a trusted third-party software Mobikin Assistant for Android. This program facilitates unrestricted transfer of video collections from PC or Mac to your phone, while preserving the original quality. How to send videos from computer to phone with Assistant for Android. Step 1. Get the software on your computer. Step 2. Let the product identify your phone. Step 3. Transfer videos from PC to Android. Method 2. How to export videos from PC or computer to Android with File Explorer. Unlock Android. Connect to PC via USB. Swipe down. Choose MeTP or File Transfer. If no window, go to PC. Open device. In DSIM. Find videos. Copy and paste selected videos on phone. Method 3. How to copy video from PC to Android phone using Google Drive. Go to Google Drive, log in, click New, select File Upload, locate files, open Google Drive app on Android, using same account, find uploaded files, tap hamburger icon, download selected file to phone. Method 4. How to get video from computer to phone over email. Sign in or sign up for an email account. Access email from PC, send email with attached videos, log into email on Android, open email from PC, download files. Method 5. How to pass videos from PC to mobile using Dropbox. Sign into Dropbox on computer, upload videos, install Dropbox on Android, sign in, access and download videos. Method 6. How to get videos on your PC to your phone by Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on both devices. Pair them. On PC, send files via Bluetooth. Choose videos to transfer to Android.